Okay, in this video, I will explain about the measurement systems and the basic concepts of measurements method. So this is the module number 4. This is the module number 4. Okay, in this module, we are going to discuss the what are the basic measurement systems, what are the definitions, significance, and generalized measurement systems, and what are the different methods. In that methods, what are the basic concepts, then like that statics characteristics and the dynamic characteristics, what are the errors in the measurement, what are the efficiency, what is the transfer efficiency, and we are all familiar with the word transducer. We are going to discuss about the transducer, what are the different types of transducers and electronic transducer, and what are the mechanical systems. So we are using a measurement system. In that measurement system, where this system is applicable for the mechanical one, so there we are using a what are the mechanical, where we are going to apply the mechanical system. In that mechanical system, what are the inherent problems you are going to get, so what are the input circuitry, and then what are the different types of terminating devices, nothing but a CRO and oscillographs. So these kind of topics we are going to discuss in this module number 4. So that is the measurement systems and the basic concepts of measurement methods. Now I will explain about the introduction. So in this introduction of the measurement system, so measurement means means what? Basically, it's a determination of anything that exists in some amount. Determination of anything that exists in some amount. If those things that exist are related to the, if it is related to the mechanical engineering, then the determination of such amounts are referred to as mechanical measurement. If those they exist, they are related to the, if it is related to the mechanical engineering, then the determination of such amounts are referred to as what? Mechanical measurement. And basically an engineer is not only interested in measurement of physical variable, but also concerned with their control. This is very important one. We are obviously, being a mechanical engineers, we are the most concern is with the control of their variables. So that these two functions are closely related, because one must be able to measure the variables such as temperature or flow in order to control it. So in this one, the accuracy of the control is essentially dependent on the accuracy of the measurement. So accuracy of the control is essentially dependent, it is directly dependent on the accuracy of the measurement. Hence a good knowledge of measurement technique is necessary. Why it is necessary? The accuracy of the control is directly dependent on the accuracy of the measurement. So once after the mechanical quantity is detected and possibly transduced, it is necessary that the stage first output be further modified before it is satisfactory form of driving an indicator or recorder. So in this one, the mechanical quantity is detected. So once the mechanical quantity is detected, it is possibly transduced and necessary that the stage first output be further modified satisfactory for driving an indicator or a recorder. So and one more is what? Measurement of dynamic mechanical quantities place severe requirement on the elements of intermediate modifying devices. So we are going to again in the upcoming videos we will come to know the what are the intermediate modifying devices, how it will play a very important role in measurement system. So and usually a large amplification, good transient response is required, which is very difficult to obtain by the mechanical or pneumatic or a hydraulic methods. So usually very large amplification is required, good transient response is required, which are very difficult to obtain mechanical or hydraulic or a pneumatic methods. So this is about the brief introduction on the measurement systems. So now I will explain, now I will tell you the what is the definitions of the measurement. So it is defined as what? It is defined as the process or an act. It is you can call it as what? It is defined as a process or the act of obtaining a quantitative comparison between the predefined standard and an unknown magnitude. So this is what the unknown magnitude is, just a picture a representation. When if the unknown magnitude is has to be predefined, once predefined one and the predefined standard and the unknown magnitude, The act of obtaining a quantitative comparison is the quantitative comparison between what? Predefined standard and an unknown magnitude, which is the obtained process we can call it as a what? Measurement. So it is defined as the process or an act of obtaining a quantitative comparison between the precise standard and the unknown magnitude. This is called as the definition of the measurement. Now I will explain about the what is the significance of the measurement. So in this significance of the measurement, the measurement provides what? Quantitative. Already in the definition itself only we are telling you that it is obtaining a quantitative comparison. So the measurement provides what? Quantitative information on the actual state of physical variable and process that otherwise could only be estimated. So in this one, as such measurement is both the vehicle for new understanding of the physical world and the ultimate test of any theory or a design. This is what the best significance of the measurement. So one is what? New understanding of the physical world and the ultimate test of any theory or a design. And the measurement is the fundamental basis for all the research, design, development, and its role is prominent in many engineering activities. And all the measuring and all the mechanical designs of any complexity involve three elements. This is very important. It involves what? Three elements: experience, rational element, and the experimental element. So in this elements, what are the different elements you are going to get in the experiences? It is based on what? Previous exposure to the similar system, on engineering common sense, nothing but what? Experience, nothing but what? It's a previous exposure to the similar system. And the rational elements is what? And the rational element, it is related to the quantitative engineering principles. And the experimental elements is based on what? Measurement, that is on measurement of the various quantities pertaining to the operation and performance of the devices or process being developed. And the measurement provides its best comparison between what was intended and what was actually achieved. So measurement is experimentally we are going to get it. The measurement provides the comparison between the what was intended and what was the actually achieved. So in this background, the measurement is also a fundamental element of any control process. It's a fundamental element of any control process. In this concept of control requires the measured discrepancy between the actual and the desired performance. That is one part. And the another one is what? You will get the controlling portion of the system must know the magnitude and the direction. You must know the magnitude and the direction. And the best example you are going to get is what? It's a modern central power station, and also the variables like temperature, flow, pressures, vibrational amplitudes must be constantly monitored by the measurement to ensure the proper performance of the system. To get a proper performance, to ensure that those what are the variables that ensure the measurement to ensure the proper performance of the systems. So we have to control the temperature, flow, pressure, and the vibrational amplitudes. These are the different variables we are going to control. So this is about the main daily operations that require measurement for the proper performance. So that's all about this video. That's all about the concepts of the introduction, significance of the measurement, and the definitions of the measurement. In the next video, I will explain and we will discuss about the generalized measurement system. Okay, thank you.